Hello everyone, welcome to English Time. Today we are going to learn something very easy and fun. We will learn how to use on and in. Are you ready? Let's go! By the end of this lesson, you will know when to use on and when to use in. You can also make your own sentences. We use on for days. Look carefully. On Monday, on Saturday, on Sunday. Easy, right? Remember, on is for days. Let's read together. I play football on Saturday. We go to school on Monday. She visits grandma on Sunday. Very good. Can you answer? Pause the video and try. Ready? The answer is on. Now, let's learn in. We use in for months and longer time. For example, in January, in October, in 2026, in the morning. Let's read together. My birthday is in October. We travel in December. I study in the morning. Here is an easy trick. On is for days. In is for months, years, and longer time. Can you do it by yourself? Pause the video and try. Let's check your answers. Did you get all correct? You did amazing work. Now it's your turn to speak. Say your answers loudly. You did a fantastic job today. Now you know how to use on and in correctly. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun and useful lessons.